Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how to use Binance to stake cryptocurrencies, a great way to earn passive income by leveraging your crypto holdings. If you're ready to put your assets to work, this guide will get you started. Let's dive right in. Log in to your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account through the website or app. If you're new to Binance, you'll need to sign up and complete the account verification process. Navigate to the staking section. Once logged in, go to the Earn section and select Staking. Binance offers multiple staking options, such as locked staking, DeFi staking, and flexible staking. Choose a cryptocurrency. Browse the available staking options to find a cryptocurrency you hold. Binance provides detailed information about the staking rewards, APY, duration, and terms for each coin. Select a staking option. Decide whether you want to participate in locked staking, fixed duration for higher rewards, or flexible staking, withdraw anytime for lower rewards. Choose an option that aligns with your investment goals. Stake your crypto. Click on the staking option and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Review the staking period, expected returns, and other details. Then confirm the transaction. Track your rewards. Binance makes it easy to monitor your staking progress. Navigate to the Earn dashboard to view your staked assets, earned rewards, and staking expiration dates. Redeem your staked assets. Once the staking period ends for locked staking, or if you decide to stop flexible staking, redeem your assets to access your principal and any earned rewards. Staking on Binance is a simple and effective way to grow your crypto portfolio while supporting blockchain networks. Have you tried staking on Binance? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.